definitely have a cable slide. I don't know what they expect me to... What if I don't speak spy? I mean, is that what we're talking about here? But... I do not understand. Alright, well... Okay, so let me see here. Let's look at this picture. When in doubt. Okay, so the cables go inside there. Huh. This is the bottom. Let's see. Carefully attach the riser assembly to the stock assembly, ensuring that the cable slide and cables fit into the recessed area on the front of the stock assembly. Huh. Okay. Making sure, hold on, what's this one? Place the cable slide in between the cables on the riser assembly in the center where the two cables cross. Be sure the deeper channel on the cable slide is placed over the top cable. Oh, deeper. I think that's it. So the deeper one, yeah. Okie dokie. Now we gotta connect these things. Alright. I guess I didn't understand that, but yeah. So this one was deeper on this one because this is the top one. Or here, that was the top one. For those of us that don't know, here we go. Like right there's a deeper one. Here, let's get that in the camera. Right there's the deeper one. That one goes on top because this one's up higher. Okie dokie. That's not gonna work. Okay. Get it right. Here we go. Okay. Just like that, I think. Okay, there's the purpose of that. Okay, we've got a little bit of tension. Okay, I do not want to hurt my laptop. There we go. Okay. Okay, attaching riser assembly part 1. Push the assembly, secure the two provided screws, tighten the Allen wrench. Okay, so that must mean that's the reason we've got these big long screws. Holy guacamole. I don't want to put a lot of pressure on that. Just can't get it started. I have electric stuff, I just don't want to. First time I put a bow together, I mean a crossbow together, I put other bows together, but wow. They don't want this thing to come apart. That is some wicked torque. Okay. I assume we're gonna have to seat these. It's a good bolt there. So like I said, it's got the blue Loctite. It is a machine screw. It uses Allen wrench. Then it has a locking washer, and then it just has a regular washer. So, I mean, great tech. I don't really have a way to like slow this or speed this up. Eventually I'm gonna get some software to start editing my videos, so for the time being you'll probably just have to fast forward if there's a part you want to see. Here, I'm trying to keep this in the video. I'm just tightening them. I don't know that there's really any fast way that I could do this. Like I said, we can step to drill. I don't know. Okay, let's keep that in the frame. Guacamole. Oh man, that's almost like that's work. Okay, where's this at? I'm not seeing the Allen wrench here. I mean, you can sometimes use Torx, but that's not going to work. Okay. Just kind of looking for a bit. Some of my other bits got mixed up in here. Okay. I should have a bit that fits that. Where is it? Bear with me. All right, let's do it. Oh, okay. Okay, let's stop. Okay, let's stop. All right, that's my Craftsman. First time I actually got to use it on something. The just kind of turn it. You push the button and then you rotate your hand, and that's which way it goes. But here we go. I'm just going to land the last part of it. Sounds like my cat wants in. Alright, I think I almost got it. Okay, I'm done doing that one. Okay, that one's good. Let's just check this other one. Wonder if it did anything since I was tight on the other one. No. I don't want to do any more. Like today, I don't want to strip it. Oh wow. Do not place your sticker on. Okay, so what do we got going on here? We've got the crossbow. We've done all this other stuff. Okay. Quiver assembly. Attaching riser assembly part 2. Additional riser screw to back of the riser assembly and tighten with the provided Allen wrench. Okay, so we've got another screw. Let's flip it. Oh, right here on the bottom. Hang on, so I can get out of the way. Let's go right there. We zoom in again. Is that okay? There we go. Is this angled? All right. Let's make sure it's in there. Okay. Now with the fancy screw driver. Ooh. That's a good idea. 3 points make a plane. I don't know if... There we go. Good. Now, let's move that over there as far as I can go. Okay, I think we're putting this together now. Plastic, pretty thick plastic. Okay. All right. Here we go. Okay, on the bottom of the crossbow, it goes like that. There's the bottom. So it goes and screws like that. Must be something else, like maybe I can attach it to something. Oh. Maybe it only goes in there one direction. Okay, I get it. And then this locks into place. Okay. Alright, let's flip it over. Lost a plastic piece. Let's get it flat. Alright. Whoa. Hit the camera. Filming foul. Let's back out. Okay. Maybe I got some better instructions over here. It says, quiver assembly, part 1. Screw quiver mount bracket into the quiver with the 2 provided screws. Okay. Let's not have the razor blade next to the bowstring. Okay. Wonder if that only fits on one direction.